Hello guys and welcome to the coding team. Today I'm going to show you how to compile and run simple Hello World program in Java. I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my text editor. It's good if you have it, and even if you don't, I have given a link in the description through which you can set it up. If you want to use any other text editor, then also it's fine. So let's get started. Here I'm going to create a new file and name it as helloworld.java. The first line is going to be the class name, which will be exactly same as the file name. Now we are going to write the main method which will execute the program. Now for printing hello world, we have to write print statement which is as follows. So that's it for the coding part. Now we have to compile and run the program. If you are using VS Code, then you can directly run the program using this run button and select run Java. Here's the output. But if you are using any other text editor, then you need to open command prompt, navigate to the file directory, then follow the next procedures like me. You have to write java c file name hello world with extension .java. So the file is compiled successfully. Now to run the file, you have to write java hello world without any extension. So that's the output. So that's it for today guys. See you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.